So welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Devart, do you remember that application we spoke about? And I'm sure you have had a look on the application. If you still didn't get a chance, do go down in the link and click there. Also, there's an anniversary. So Devart is celebrating its birthday. And on that occasion, they were very kind to bring us some discounts. For all of you who are watching here on my channel, you've got a discount. Click on the discount link there and enjoy that discount. And please don't forget to share your comments, your feedback about the application. So let's celebrate Devart's birthday together and enjoy this application. Have a lovely day.